IPv6 residential proxies are becoming more and more popular amongst businesses that gather data from IPv6 enabled websites. You're asking yourself, why? IPv6 residential proxies offer a more cost-effective solution compared to IPv4 residential proxies. This is attributed to the limited supply of IPv4 addresses, whereby IPv6 addresses are more widely available. Therefore, the technology required to support IPv6 residential proxies is less expensive, making it a more accessible option for individuals and businesses alike. Use cases. Although IPv6 residential proxies are more cost-effective, not all websites have fully integrated support for them. However, many major websites, including Google, Yahoo, Bing, Instagram, Facebook, and Gmail, already support IPv6, making it a viable option for various use cases, such as SERP scraping, social media scraping, and account generation and management. In order to confirm whether a website is compatible with IPv6 proxies, simply visit plainproxies.com. Our website provides a reliable and efficient way to check for IPv6 proxy support, and you can find a link to our site in the description below. At Plain Proxies, we are proud to offer affordable IPv6 residential proxies that enable businesses and individuals to conduct their data collection operations with ease. Our team of scraping experts is readily available to provide assistance with any questions or concerns that you may have about IPv6 proxies and compatibility. You can reach out to us through our live chat or via email at support@plainproxies.com for prompt and reliable support. We look forward to helping you achieve your web scraping goals.